My name is Ken Maiese. I'm from New Jersey University Health Sciences Center. And today my discussion focused on what we feel very important is the role of diabetes and its complications in the cardiovascular system. Diabetes affects multiple people across the world, more than 170 million, and by the year 2030 it's expected to maybe affect 400 million. Furthermore, there's many people, especially even in the United States, at least 7 million younger population that are considered to be undiagnosed. So even though there's been major advances over the last 30 years, we still have a long way to go to prevent vascular death and vascular complications, and these can affect not only the cardiac system but other systems such as the nervous system. In today's talk, what we focus on, we're very interested in novel genetic pathways such as transcription factors. So I focused on the wingless pathway, sirtuins, which are known to increase cell longevity, and fork head transcription factors. Now, these factors play many roles in cell protection, but also they involve in cell longevity. And it's very important to distinguish those two because one can protect cells, but they may not live very long, or one may extend cell longevity, but you don't acutely protect them during an injury. So what we were able to show is how these novel pathways with wingless, sirtuin, and FOXO are interrelated, and these can actually be very prominent for targeting new development and new therapies. One of the important things is that they might extend to preventing atherosclerosis, helping the prevention of diabetic complications along the way. At the same time, one has to be careful to translate these pathways because they also play a role in new cell growth, like new vascular growth with angiogenesis, which might sometimes translate into tumor growth. Also, some of these pathways, even though they may be negative, such as fork head transcription factors, sometimes need to be activated to help cells, especially with sirtuin, and that's been shown in some types of some populations like renal cells. So I think there's a ways that we still have to go to understand the complex biology of these, but they clearly translate into novel therapies. Some of the work I discussed was involving the role of erythropoietin, and erythropoietin actually extends both in the nervous system and cardiac system to be actually protective in many scenarios.